As we have discussed earlier regarding the arrangement of different types of electromagnetic radiation, here we have an electromagnetic spectrum wherein the arrangement of different types of electromagnetic radiation in the order of increasing wavelength or decreasing frequency is being seen. Understand one thing, that wavelength and frequency are inversely proportional. Larger is the wavelength, lesser will be the frequency, because a bigger wave will take more time, or the number of times it is going to cross the given point will be less. Hence, larger is the wavelength, less will be the frequency. Shorter is the wavelength, more is the frequency. That's what we see over here in an electromagnetic spectrum. In this electromagnetic spectrum, we find that right at the extreme left, we have the radio waves. Radio waves are the one which are with a larger wavelength, more wavelength, hence less frequency. As we move ahead, we have microwave, infrared, visible light. This is the range in which we can see. The next is ultraviolet, followed by X-rays, and then we have gamma rays. These are the few noticed radiations that we are mentioning. Let's know like in which of the cases we find these radiations. Radio waves, of course, for broadcasting, communication, and satellite transmission. Microwaves, yes, we know in cooking, again in communication and satellite transmission. So mobiles, when you go to see, yes, we have this range which is observed. Infrared, in case of infrared, again is used in cooking, thermal imaging, short range communication, optical fibers, television remote controls and security systems. Visible, what we can see, so it's in the vision, photography and illumination. Ultraviolet, security marking, fluorescent lamps, detecting forged banknotes and disinfecting water. We go to make use of ultraviolet radiation. X-rays, yes, perfect. We know about it. We go to make use of this in medical purpose as well as in observing the internal structure of the objects, especially on the airports and all. We have these scanners which are making use of X-rays. Gamma rays for sterilizing food and medical equipments and detection of cancer and its treatment also. We find the use of gamma rays.